Today, let's explore how artificial intelligence is reshaping the workplace, automating tasks, and creating new opportunities across various industries. AI is increasingly integrated into sectors like finance, healthcare, and logistics. For instance, in the finance sector, AI automates tasks traditionally performed by human analysts, enhancing efficiency and productivity. While AI automates certain roles, it also creates new job categories. The World Economic Forum predicts that by 2028, AI automation will create 69 million new jobs worldwide, leading to a net reduction of 2% in overall jobs. To stay relevant, workers must adapt by acquiring new skills. Employers and governments play a crucial role in managing AI impact on jobs by implementing regulations that ensure ethical AI use and funding workforce development programs. AI's integration raises ethical questions, such as bias in hiring algorithms. For example, in 2018, Amazon terminated their use of an AI hiring tool because the algorithm favored male candidates over female ones. Artificial intelligence is transforming the workplace, presenting both challenges and opportunities. By embracing the change and focusing on continuous learning, we can navigate this evolving landscape effectively. Till next time, tot ziens.